Hi, David here of Lancaster MG, and here we've got a 20 plate 2020 MG ZS EV. It's the Excite model and it's in the Pimlico blue. And what we'll be doing in this video is just showing you around condition of the vehicle and some of the features it has. So we'll start with the alloy design. It's a nice diamond cut design and this one's exclusive to the EV models. You can also see it's in very good condition there, as is the entire vehicle in all honesty. So as we go around, you get keyless entry there. It's the little button on that one. Onto the driver's side front alloy. And then round the front, you can see bodywork's very nice and tidy. Headlights are nice and clear. So passenger side front alloy, that one's nice and tidy as well. We've got no curbing on that. Passenger side of the vehicle, dent and scratch free as well. And then onto our fourth alloy. You can see no curbing on that one, so it's a full set of four, all in good condition. Onto the rear you do get parking sensors, so you've got 3 of those on the back. Just pop the boot open as well. So there is a boot mat in this one. You've got your 3-pin charging plug just to the side. And underneath the boot floor, if I can get to it. There we go, you've got a little bit of storage. You've got your inflation kit as well. So from there we'll just hop into the rear. And just before I do, you do get a 7-year warranty. So it's got plenty of that left. So inside you've got some nice cloth seats, they're very comfortable. You've also got standard USB socket just hidden behind that little tab there. You can see that there. So you can charge your devices in the back as well. Once you get into the front, you do have electric windows all around. Also got electrically adjustable wing mirrors there. Alongside being keyless entry is keyless start as well. And just while we're there, there's 2 keys for that one. I'll just turn that down. There we go, turn the radio right down. So we've got the mileage there, 15,798. And you can see, 1 minute, we'll just turn it into economy mode. So it shows you your range if you do that. That would be because I've just turned lane keep assist off. And there we go, 110 miles. And we're only just over half. So you're probably just shy of a couple hundred miles from a full charge. So onto the features inside, you've got all your sort of computer controls just there for the screen in the middle. Over on the left hand side, you've got all your audio controls, including a dedicated phone button as well. Behind there, you've got your automatic lights, you've got your cruise control. You've also got intermittent wipers on the right hand side. Over onto the centre screen, you do get sat nav on the Excite model. So it just takes a second to load up there, so while it's doing that, you do get manual air conditioning here, so you just turn it on with that and off with that, and you've got temperature, speed, all your directions as well. Down a little further, you've got your gearbox, well, say gearbox, your drive select, so you've got drive, neutral, reverse, and then you press that down for park. You've also got your drive modes, so you've got economy, normal and sport. Got your kinetic energy recovery system, so that's your regenerative braking, and then that little tab there is what I flipped before that brought up remaining battery, well, remaining mileage. So onto the screen again, so that's what the sat nav looks like. It's nice and simple, not overly complicated. Then you've also got another little tab here for radio, and if you plug anything in or use Bluetooth, it will all appear on this screen as well. So if there is anything I've missed in this video or any extra info you want, don't hesitate to get in contact with us. We'll do your personalised video, we'll get the info to you. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.